Imagine running a successful Airbnb business from anywhere in the world, sipping coffee in Rome, sipping coconuts in Jamaica, sipping margaritas in Costa Rica, or just sipping Starbucks in your PJs, all while your properties are thriving. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every step you need to take to achieve this dream. From setting up automated systems to handling guest communication seamlessly, I've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned host or just starting out, by the end of this video, this guide will equip you with the tools and strategies to manage your Airbnb properties like a pro, no matter where you are. Let's dive in. How to locate a trustworthy cleaner for your Airbnb. If you're wondering how to find a dependable cleaner for your short-term rental, it's crucial to understand that your cleaner will play a key role in your business. This makes finding the right one the first and most vital step to take. If you're unfamiliar with local cleaning services, a great resource to explore is Turno.com, which simplifies the process of finding experienced cleaners. You can schedule cleanings, chat with the cleaners, and handle payments without ever leaving the couch. Next, let's talk about Instacart. This grocery delivery service can be a game changer for hosts. Imagine ensuring your guests always have essentials stocked in the property without you ever having to step foot in a store. You can schedule to have everything delivered straight to the property on the days that your cleaners are there. How to effectively hand over keys to Airbnb guests. Install a smart lock to make your life easier. This innovative device allows you to lock and unlock your door remotely using your smartphone. You can assign unique access codes to each guest, making it easy to manage entry. Smart locks like Schlagen code are straightforward to install, plus, they can sync with Airbnb to send codes automatically. Finding reliable handymans for your Airbnb. Looking for trustworthy tradespeople such as plumbers or electricians for your short-term rental can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by utilizing websites and apps that connect you with local professionals. Resources like Angie's List, HomeAdvisor, and Yelp provide user reviews, allowing you to gauge the quality of service before hiring. Don't hesitate to ask around for recommendations. Often, the best leads come from fellow Airbnb hosts, friends, or family who may have previously worked with reliable tradespeople. I'll provide links in the description to help you begin your search for dependable tradesmen. Also, let's talk about TaskRabbit. This platform connects you with local freelancers who can handle a wide range of tasks and errands. Need furniture assembled, repairs done, or lawn mowed? TaskRabbit has skilled taskers ready to assist. This flexibility allows you to tackle unexpected issues swiftly and maintain your property's high standards effortlessly. Plus, you can choose taskers based on reviews and ratings, ensuring quality work every time. Imagine having all these tasks handled while you focus on expanding your portfolio or simply enjoying your free time. Implementing security measures for your Airbnb. To enhance security at your property, consider installing an exterior security camera, and no, this is not for spying on guests, but rather for monitoring your property when it's unoccupied. Be sure to inform guests about the cameras and keep them outside to respect their privacy.
Story time.
What happened?
Well, apparently a drunk dude crashed with us last night that we don't know.
He's being taken away, though.
If you want to take security further, a system with sensors on doors and windows can alert you to any suspicious activity. Just remember that there should be no surveillance devices inside the property to maintain guest privacy. Additionally, adequate outdoor lighting can deter unwanted visitors and help guests navigate at night. I'll include links to popular security cameras used by Airbnb hosts in the description. Do you need a management agency for your Airbnb? The good news is that you likely don't, thanks to technology. Various platforms can automate repetitive communications with guests and cleaners, some even using AI to respond to inquiries instantly. However, you'll still need to handle occasional unique queries that arise.
What do you do for a living?
Lots of things.
Where's your office?
I don't have one.
How come?
I don't need one.
Where's your wife?
Don't have one.
How come?
It's a long story.
For automation, I recommend Hospitable or HostTools.com. They are budget-friendly and highly effective, sending timely messages to guests, scheduling reminders for cleaners, and syncing availability and pricing across different platforms, ensuring smooth operations while you enjoy your free time. How to adjust pricing for your Airbnb. Now, let's talk pricing. Are you still manually setting your rates?
Stop it!
The best strategy is to use a dynamic pricing tool. These nifty gadgets adjust your rates based on demand, competition, and even local events, just like hotels and airlines do. You want to attract guests without leaving money on the table. Manually adjusting prices can be exhausting and nearly impossible to keep up with constantly changing market trends. Dynamic pricing tools handle this for you, ensuring your property is priced appropriately across all seasons. I'll provide a link to the dynamic pricing tool I use in the description. What insurance should you consider for your Airbnb? Another important consideration is insurance coverage. While Airbnb's air cover provides protection against damages during a guest stay, it's advisable to get additional short-term rental insurance to cover periods when your property is unoccupied or for damages not caused by guests.
Your guys' garage is on fire!
Obtaining short-term rental property insurance is essential, and you might also want to consider content insurance. How to ensure guests follow the rules. We all know that one guest who thinks a house party is a great idea, right? To keep things in check, set clear house rules from the get-go. Make sure guests know there's a strict no-party policy and outline the consequences for breaking it. Don't hesitate to vet guests by asking questions prior to accepting bookings, which can help you gauge their intentions. Maintain good communication by being upfront about your expectations. A friendly reminder about your house rules at check-in can be very effective. Utilize smart home technology, such as Ring Doorbell, to help monitor guest activity. I'll share links to these smart devices in the description for you to explore. Best practices for remote communication with guests. For effective remote communication with guests, schedule automatic, clear, and detailed information about your property, check-in procedures, house rules, follow-ups, checkout instructions, parking information, pictures, and local recommendations. This minimizes confusion and reduces the need for guests to reach out with basic questions. Personalize your messages by addressing guests by name and acknowledging any specific requests or reasons for their stay. This personal touch fosters a positive rapport. Be proactive by anticipating common questions and addressing them in your welcome message or guidebook. Maintain a friendly tone in all communications, even through text, as warmth and hospitality enhance the guest experience. During their stay, send a check-in message to demonstrate care and availability. Once guests have checked out, follow up with a thank you message and request feedback on their stay to gather insights before they leave a public review. Don't forget to check out my previous video on how to decorate your Airbnb on a budget. See you next time.